I was really thrilled when Kayla brought this home. Wasn't I?
Yeah, she was. She was totally stoked. She was like, man, I can't believe that you would bring me this water tank that has a hole in the side of it. You know?
A water tank with a...
She thought, what a great addition to our homestead. And thought, but I brought it home thinking of her.
And so it's sat here for
I feel like it's the thought that counts.
How long has it sat here for now? About a year.
Time is irrelevant in this issue. I don't think time's necessary.
So for a year, I have been wondering what we can
It's not
do
been a year. It's like 6 months.
to get rid of it
I'm the guy
without
who
having
keeps
to
track of
pay
time
for someone
here.
to come and get rid of it. So I had this idea.
Go on. What's your idea?
So we're trying this out. I don't think it's very cute. I'm not quite sure if I like it. But for the moment, I thought for the winter, it would offer some sort of a windbreak, maybe a place where they can go and lay eggs. They haven't spent too much time in it right now, but they do go in it. So it might just be a case of becoming familiar with it. But the cat goes in and sleeps there. So at least someone's using it. So we chopped it in half, put the doors in, and we've got 2 of them. One of the things that I was thinking, you can see the other one there behind me, and under there, oh, there's a duck inside. Under there, I sort of wanted the ground to dry out so that in the winter they've got a place they can go inside and dust bath. So I just came over here to check on the chickens, and I'm really excited. The chickens are starting to use it. The temperatures have obviously dropped, and so they're using it, it looks like, as a place to keep warm. So these are our Egyptian Phiomes, and they're a heritage breed originally from Egypt. Apparently people stopped breeding them, but maybe they're coming back a bit. People are starting to get back into them. But naturally, being from Egypt, they don't do so well in the colder temperatures. So we're going to have to be mindful over the winter to make sure that they have plenty of space to get out of the cold weather. What I might do next spring is I might stack the 2 on top of each other and see if I can sort of make it a multi-level sort of igloo hut. And I might sort of put a ramp up there, maybe some bamboo siding with a little teepee top, so it's not such an eyesore. But I don't know, what do you think? You can let me know in the comments, or if you've seen something. They're not the easiest objects to repurpose, I have to say. It still looks like half a water tank sat in the yard.